channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Wednesday, and for today's video I actually have a thrift haul for you guys. I know it's been a while. My husband and I finally got out on a little junk run on Sunday. We only hit a couple Goodwills and an estate sale, but we found some good stuff that I can hardly wait to show you guys. So without further ado, I will get to the top stuff and work my way down. So these I found at one of the Goodwills. They were $2.99 a piece. I thought they were just really pretty. With Christmas coming, there were 3 of them, and each one's different. I kind of like them just the way they are. At first I thought about painting them, but after I kind of looked at them, they're in really good shape. There's nothing wrong with any of them. So I think I'm just going to add them as is to my Christmas displays. So I'm going to set them aside for now. But anyway, $2.99 a piece. I thought you couldn't hardly beat that. So grabbed those. And this candlestick was at one of the Goodwills. It is really heavy. I don't know what it's made of, but it was only $1.99. I will paint this and do something with it. So, but for $1.99, I went ahead and nabbed that too. And then this little pitcher, I just like the shape. It's kind of cloudy. I'm hoping that I can clean it up. It was $4.99. It's glass. I have a feeling it's vintage. I didn't even Google lens it, you guys. I just grabbed it. So, but for $4.99, like I said, I'm just hoping I can get it nice and clean and get it out into my fall displays. So there, that's that. And then I picked up these canning jar lids for $3.99. I'm thinking I will make some Christmas ornaments with these. I've been kind of looking around on Pinterest. There's tons of great ideas to use these. So that's what they're going to be for. So I'm excited I'm going to at some point do one video that's just going to be some different Christmas ornaments. So these should be fun. Then I grabbed this little jewelry box. You know me, I love the little jewelry boxes. I like the fact that the inside of this is just a really pretty neutral ivory, so it's not a horrible color. Obviously the drawer needs a little help. I knew I was going to have to reglue this, but it is definitely kind of coming apart a little bit. But some glue and I will fix that right up. You won't even be able to tell that it's broken. The lid is in good shape. Everything else about it is fine. So, but it'll get a paint job, and I'll just do something cute and fun with it. And it'll be, I like these to have for Christmas gifts. They make great Christmas gifts. So I'll get this done and out as soon as I can. Then I found this, and I almost wish I wouldn't have bought it, just because whatever paint they used and finish that they used, I can tell is going to be kind of a bear to try and get off of this. And with all the detail in it, I might have to actually use stripper to get it off. So we'll see. I'm going to try and sand as much of it off as I can before I paint over it and put something else on this. But I'm going to use it the same way they did. I'll just make a sign. So it was only $3.99. Actually, I think it was a half price item, so it was $2. So hopefully I can do something with it. And then I found some silver. I was really kind of excited. I love the tarnished silver, and we sold quite a bit of it when we did vintage market days back in June. I think it was June. And so I decided I want to have a little display to incorporate some here in the cottage. And since I didn't have much left, I went ahead and started looking for some. And at Goodwill, they had some. This bowl was $7.99. I just thought it was really pretty. I loved the detail around it and kind of this shell kind of shape to it. So I grabbed that. And then one of the things I sold all of at Vintage Market Days were my tea kettles that were silver. This one is super tarnished. It's in kind of rough shape, honestly, but it was only $4.99. I just still loved the tarnish on it. And I just think it's beautiful. It's got a little ding here, so it's a little hurt right there, but I just thought it's just kind of pretty, and for $5 I needed to save it, so I brought it home. So there's that one. Then I got, this one is really shiny and looks almost brand new, and it was also $7.99. I just thought it was pretty. I love the little rose detail and the topper on it. I think it's just beautiful. So, and since I grabbed this and it was shiny, I went ahead and grabbed this. It kind of goes with it. Little sugar dish for $3.99. So I thought those made kind of a cute pair. I could not find the creamer that matched anywhere. So, but I grabbed these two pieces anyway. Then I found this at Goodwill. It was $2.99. I know it's vintage. I'm really not sure what era it's from exactly. I will have to Google Lens it. But Christmas is coming and I'm going to pop some red into my displays this year. And I thought this was kind of a nice, unique vintage piece to put in one of my displays. So I grabbed that. And then, oh yeah, there's still more silver. I should probably finish up with the silver. So I got this teapot for $7.99. This one's interesting. It doesn't have any legs on it, but I just thought it was pretty. Again, I love the detail to it, and I am all about the patina, you guys. So I just thought the patina on this one was really pretty. So I grabbed that one. And then this little creamer was $4.99 originally. It was a half price item, so it was $2.50. I just, again, love the patina on this. And I might even put some silver in with some of my Christmas displays. Just, they look beautiful with little fairy lights in front of them, kind of glimmering. I just think that metals, especially mixed metals, and with Christmas, I like to do rose gold and copper and silver and gold all together in my Christmas displays. So these will be great for that. Then salt and pepper shaker, just an old wood one. This is in really, really good shape. I painted one a while back. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to paint this or just leave it as is. It's kind of pretty, the wood color, so we'll see. But it was only $2.99, so I nabbed it. Oh, another silver thing. This little heart dish I thought was so pretty for 99 cents. So I grabbed that. Just something different than the standard plates that you see everywhere. So I really liked it. These candle holders I got because there were a set of 3. It's not very often I find 3 candle holders that go together. And these are a nice shape. They're nice and heavy. So I went ahead and grabbed them. They were, again, half price. So like this one was $2, the small one. This one was $3, the large, and then the medium guy was $2.50. So this one has a little hole in it right there, but I'm really thinking some putty, maybe a touch of Bondo. I will fill that up and you won't even be able to know that it was there. So I grabbed those. Let's see here. This huge vase, I liked it just because it's neutral, and this shape is so hard to find to tuck in with some of the other different shapes that I collect. And so it's nice to have something tall and kind of narrow to put in my displays. And again, I love the neutrality of it. And it was only $4.99, so I grabbed it. It's got a bunch of floral foam in it. Hopefully nobody glued this in and I can just pull it out of there. So we'll see. Okay, so that's it for the random stuff that I got at Goodwill other than the bookshelf, and that was $9.99. And I'm excited. I will paint this and dress it up some at some point. And then the last thing I got at the Goodwills was this cute little, I don't know, like coat rack or kitchen hook or whatever you'd want to use it for. It was $7.99. I just thought it'll be a great way to utilize some decoupage paper or maybe a transfer in here. So I will change it out at some point and just dress it up a little bit more. So that was kind of, it's just a fun project piece. So there's that. That one is dusty. And then these things are the things that I got at the estate sale. And so everything in the bookshelf I got at the estate sale, and they were, since it was Sunday, they were just handing out little plastic grocery sacks, and anything you could put in the grocery sack was $20 for the sack. So I managed to get all of this in one sack. So I paid $20 for this whole amount of stuff. So I got these little, what are these, port glasses maybe? That are, again, that red glass. So I was kind of excited to find these since I'd already found the red glass candle holder. And I got a set of 4 or 5 of them. So there's 5, and they're all in really great shape. I mean, the estate sale was packed with all sorts of glass. They had magnesium glass, and they were out of the other one that glows in the dark. I forget the name of it right now, but they they didn't have any left. I looked in the closet that they had it in, and it was all gone. But I was happy to find these. Again, for Christmas, I think they'll be great. And I went ahead and threw this little candle holder in just because, again, it was red. And so I thought I'll clean the candle out of there and put it out with my displays. I got this cute little silver dish that I thought was beautiful. It's just, I just love the pattern to it. It's gorgeous. And so I got that. This little crystal decanter. It's cute. It might be glass. I don't know that it's crystal. It's probably glass, but I just thought it was pretty. So I grabbed that. Then a couple more silver pieces. I found this little gravy boat. I absolutely love gravy boats, and silver gravy boats are just, I don't know, they're the cat's pajamas. So anyway, so that one. This one's a little more plain, but it had the plate that came with it. I kind of like this bowed shape to it, so I went ahead and grabbed it. So, and then I think these are pewter. There were only 3 of them, but they're just little, again, I don't know, wine glasses, port glasses, something like that. So, but they're in good shape for 3 of them. I wish there would have been a 4th, but I could not find it. I grabbed these 2 candle holders just because I could, because I had room in my bag, and I just thought they were kind of pretty. I will probably paint these guys all one color and skip the brass and the wood split there, but they're nice and heavy, and so like I said, I just stuck them in my bag, you guys. This I found, this one's heavy, and absolutely loved it. And this I had to kind of put very carefully on top of everything else. So, but I just thought it was beautiful. So I grabbed that. And this goes so well. I mean, look how nice those 2 things go together for like a Christmas display. You could do some red and white, maybe bring in some green and black. I think it'd be beautiful. And then this thing, I'm not sure if these are like for flowers or what the story is there. Again, I did not have time to Google Lens these. There were too many other people kind of pushing along the tables, and so I didn't have time to sit there and take pictures of every single thing. But I loved the fact this is nice heavy milk glass. It's got the hobnail on it, which I liked, and I figured, you know, I'll put it out with my Christmas displays. Worst case, you could use it as candy jar and just cover those up. So I don't know. We'll see. And then lastly, I grabbed this little basket. So I thought, again, just cute. I did have time to Google Lens this one because it was upstairs, and it came back, it's Fenton, and most of the places that I saw it listed, it was listed for $20 to $30. So I probably won't price it quite that high, but you know, I should be able to basically make the money back that I spent on the bag of stuff with just this one piece. So we'll see how it goes. But that is it. Everything is very dirty, so now my hands are really grimy. But that is it for my junk run stuff on Sunday, you guys. It was a lot of fun, like I said, just to get out of here and go do something interesting. So anyway, I hope you liked all my things, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And please remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then drop a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I picked up on my junk run. I always like to hear from you guys. And don't forget, I do sell products on my website at www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. I've got DIY paint and products and milk paint by Sweet Pickins, Recycled Treasures, decoupage papers, as well as Redesign with Prima. So go check those out there. And let's see, for Saturday's video, I already have started working on a little Martha Stewart sewing cabinet. that I got out of my friend Kathy's garage, and it is coming along beautifully so far. I can't wait to show it to you guys. So I hope you'll join me on Saturday for that. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week, and I will see you on Saturday. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Bye.